will demonstrate FortiDeceptor, anti-exploit engine, and FortiGate fabric integration. FortiDeceptor comes with anti-reconnaissance and anti-exploit engine. The engine has two main functions. The primary function is to correlate attackers' activities to display in incident and campaign view. The secondary function is to utilize the FortiGuard services for forensic analysis of attackers' behavior. FortiDeceptor will use the following FortiGuard services: intrusion prevention, web filtering, and antivirus. FortiGuard services help detect and alert SOC analysts of activities to and from the decoy VMs. Now let's take a look at an example. We have a Windows decoy VM running on the Deceptor with RDP and SMB services available. Let's say the attacker discovered this Windows decoy VM and uses Metasploit to launch an intrusion to the decoy. The attacking client will RDP to the Windows decoy and will use the web browser to browse to various places on the internet. In the end, I will launch an attack on the network related to WannaCry ransomware. This attack exploits Windows SMB vulnerabilities. Let's run the attack. Now we can go back to the incident view in FortiDeceptor and take a look at the attack. As you can see, the intrusion is detected by the FortiDeceptor. If you have the FortiGate fabric integration configured, once the incident is triggered on decoy, the FortiDeceptor will instruct FortiGate to quarantine the attacker's IP. Let's take a look at the FortiGate quarantine configuration to see how FortiGate blocks the attack. Go to the Fabric menu, then choose FortiGate integration. What we want to achieve here is to quarantine the attacker as soon as it reaches the decoy and launches an attack. We will configure the FortiGate IP and login credentials. Click Update to save the configuration. Next, we will test the block configuration by pressing the Test button. Then, I will use my attacking client to launch an attack using RDP services again. This time, the attack will be blocked. Let's look at the quarantine status and see the blocked attack. And on the FortiGate VM, if I click on the quarantine monitor, you can see that the attacking client was blocked. Finally, let's have a look at the FortiDeceptor dashboard. The dashboard provides a visual overview for the top IPS attacks and top attackers by incident. Under the incident analysis, we can see web filtering events that were involved. FortiDeceptor will use FortiGuard web filtering services to classify the website. Here you can see the category and the URL. If needed, you can also export these web filtering events to a file. With this, we conclude our video. Thank you for watching.